In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your forms in the Forms Analytics tool in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. If you work across multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check you're in the one that contains the forms you want to review, and make sure you have access to marketing tools. Once you're in, we'll move to the area where forms are managed and measured. On the left sidebar, hover to reveal the navigation and look for marketing. When you see it, select it to expand the options, then choose Forms. This opens your Forms home, where you'll see the forms you've created along with basic information. From here, switch to the Analyze view. You'll usually find this as a tab near the top of the page. Give the dashboard a moment to load. Larger accounts may take a few seconds. In the Analyze view, use the filters to focus on exactly what you need. You can narrow down to a specific form or compare a set of related forms, and you can adjust the date range to match a campaign period or a recent launch window. Filtering keeps your analysis relevant and helps you avoid noise from old tests or discontinued assets. Keep the same filters applied as you move through the charts so your comparisons stay consistent. Now, let's interpret what you're seeing. The first chart, Total Form Submissions over Views, visualizes how audience size and completions are trending over time. This helps you spot whether rising traffic is actually converting and whether submission rate is improving or slipping. Look for inflection points that line up with promotions, page changes, or seasonality. Next, form submission totals show which forms are bringing in the most completions. This is great for identifying top performers and low-volume outliers that may need optimization. Consider the intent of each form when comparing totals. A bottom-of-funnel form will naturally have fewer but often more qualified submissions. Finally, the form overview summarizes key stats like views, submissions, and conversion rate for each form. Use this to quickly scan for mismatches, such as high views with low conversion, which can signal friction in your fields or placement. Conversely, steady conversion with falling views might suggest distribution issues. As you review, align metrics with your goals. For lead generation, prioritize conversion rate trends. For awareness, pay attention to view growth and steady completions. Choose a meaningful date window, ideally at least one full business cycle, to reduce short-term noise. And that's it. You've navigated to Forms, opened Analyze, refined your view with filters, and interpreted the core charts to understand performance. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.